Hi clarinet players, I'm going to show you guys how to take care of your instrument and to clean it after you are done practicing. So once you're done practicing your clarinet, you're going to take your reed off and dry it off, put it back in its case, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your mouthpiece off, okay? The reason why we do not swab our mouthpiece is because it could get damaged. So what I like to do is when I'm done playing, I kind of wrap my swab around my pinky finger and I just kind of dry it off a little bit, get all the gross spit out, and put my mouthpiece away, okay? Now the next part is very important. Every time you play, you should clean your instrument. For clarinet, this is what you do. You turn it upside down and you're gonna take your swab, it should be in your case, and you'll take the magnet and just drop it in the bell, and you should be seeing the swab coming out of the barrel and the swab hanging out of the bell. Now, once you've done that, you're going to pull on the swab and that's it. Take it out and you're good to go with cleaning. For cork grease, it depends on the player. So our cork needs grease to stay healthy. If it gets too dry, this cork can crack and crumble, and then your instrument won't be able to be put together correctly, and then it will cost money to repair it. So we got to make sure we're using cork grease. You might have one that looks like this. You might have one that's like in a round little container. Whatever you have is good. You're going to use this probably at least once a week. I recommend once a week. If you're playing a lot, like Miss K, I'm playing 4 hours a day because band is my favorite, which good on you. You probably want to use more cork grease. The more you play your instrument, the more dry the cork is, right? So when you put it on, you're going to just put a little dab, not a lot. I mean, a little goes a long way. So I didn't even put that much. You see it hanging off there? Not a whole lot. And then you're gonna take your thumb or your finger and you're just gonna roll it all the way around. It's like putting chapstick on for your instrument, okay? And you're gonna do that for every single cork on your clarinet. There are quite a few. Your upper joint has 2 corks, okay? Your lower joint has a cork and your mouthpiece has a cork. So lots of corks to cork grease at least once a week, all right? And again, do we play after eating? No, unless you rinse your mouth out. So if you're gonna go eat dinner and then practice afterwards, make sure you rinse your mouth, make sure you clean your instrument after you play, and make sure you're using plenty of cork grease as needed.